let's say we want to actually draw a ball. Let's say we want to do 2D animation. So where would we go? So here under new file, let's click on one to already automatically set it up. Let's do 2D animation. And by clicking on that, it's going to set it up for us, the general layout and everything we need essentially. Now up here on the very top, we can do File, New, and 2D Animation if you can't go to here. That's also another way you can do it. So we have our basic setup here. Now, right now by default, it's pencil. I personally like using a ink or a pen. So let's say pen, that's what it looks like. Pencil, that's what it looks like. So do whatever what you like better. But real quick, I'm going to just draw, here I'm going to change it back to pen, and I'm going to draw the squash part of the ball, like right there. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now, right now, if I was to do animation, I would have to do 24 frames per second. So if you don't want to do that, if you want to do, let's say 12 frames per second, what you can do is you can do every other frame. So right now, this is frame 1. So if I move over to the next one, frame 3, then I can animate on that location, which is what I'll do. So I have the little location right there, and I'm just going to go like this. I'm not the best at drawing, so I'm using the keyboard to move to the next one. And I'm just going to decrease this, here, here, going a bit faster, faster again, super fast. Now it's going to go like this. So if I go back to 0,